In this video, I'll show you how to add a task counter to a Clickup dashboard. Even if you've never used Clickup before, don't worry, I'll explain everything step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to track total, completed, and pending tasks in one place. First, open clickup.com and log into your account. If you're new, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Once logged in, you'll see the Clickup home screen. Now, on the left sidebar, click on Dashboards. Then click on New Dashboard. Give your dashboard a name. I'll call it Task Tracker Dashboard and click Create. Dashboards work using widgets. To add one, click on Add Widget at the top. This opens a list of different widgets you can use. From the widget list, select Task List. Now choose where your tasks come from. For beginners, selecting a list is the easiest option. Choose any task list and click Add Widget. Now let's turn this into a task counter. Hover over the widget and click on Customize. Here, enable options like total tasks, completed tasks, and incomplete tasks. You can also enable overdue tasks if you want. If you want to track specific tasks, you can use filters. For example, you can show only your tasks or only pending tasks. Once done, click Apply. That's it. You've successfully added a task counter to your Clickup dashboard. This counter updates automatically as tasks are completed or added. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.